Greetings, this is just a quick video on reggae rhythm guitar playing for beginners. Just a few little tips that I think will help. So I'm looking mainly at polyrhythms or rhythmic embellishments and how I use them on stage. It's very, very simple. So I'm going to keep this video very, very, very short. So what do I mean? So I'm using E minor, A minor, B minor, and sometimes I go to a C. All right. So what do I mean by polyrhythm? So if I'm playing, say, a rhythm, like for example, right. So instead of just playing that over and over and over, you can put some rhythmic embellishments in there or some polyrhythm to keep it interesting. So stuff like, you know what I mean? So stuff like that are just polyrhythms or rhythmic embellishments. So I would say you put it sort of like at the end of every 4 bar or at the end of every 8 bar, or at whenever this song changes structure. So for example, at the end of the intro, start of the verse, start of the pre-chorus, at the end of the pre-chorus going into the chorus, at the end of the chorus going into the bridge. So anytime the song changes structure, you would use those rhythmic embellishments to make you keep your playing interesting and to signal to the listener that a change is coming up. So it's actually very, very good practice to use it in this way. So I'm just going to give you some examples of some of these rhythmic embellishments that I use in my playing. All right, so. And if I put the wah on, it sounds even a little bit nicer. So I'm going to try that now. So here we go. Alright, so those are just some simple tips on how to use polyrhythms or rhythmic embellishments in your playing. Yeah, it's not terribly difficult, but just remember to put it sort of like at the end of every 4 bar, at the end of every 8 bar, or just before a change in the structure of the song. Alright, peace.